Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to unlink video from audio in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have a clip, a big one here, and the linked audio. If I just drag it around, of course the audio will get dragged around as well. What you can do is just right click it and then disable link clips. And now if you click it, only this one is red, you can drag it while the audio isn't dragged. Same with this one. Of course, you can just link them again. If you just drag around this, right click, link clips, and now they are linked again. And there's also a shortcut for this. If you hold down Option on Mac, just hold down, then click this one, and then you can drag it around as you like. Same with the video, hold Option and drag it around. What you also can do with this Option shortcut, if your clips are linked to each other, just hold down Option, click it, and then you can adjust it, make it longer, like this, and your audio just stays the same. Okay, that was a little hack on how to unlink video from audio in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.